Hello students, I am Mrs. Mrinalini Dhopeshwar and going to teach you Physics, NCERT Chapter 1, 11th class, Measurements and Units. Okay, so first of all I will explain you what is physical quantity. According to the definition of physical quantity, the quantity which can be measured physically, इसको कहते हैं फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. भाई ये कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, बड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट सी definition है. So what quantity you can measure, what quantity you can't measure? See, you can measure your height, you can measure your weight, you can measure your temperature. फीवर आया है भाई, टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं. आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, कितनी इतनी 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 कितनी खुशी हुई. ये तो हम मेजर ही नहीं कर सकते. आज मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ. कितना दुखी है, नहीं मेजर कर पा रहे हैं. आज मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, नहीं मेजर कर पा रहे. सो दीज क्वांटिटी वी कांट मेजर. So these are we can't measure, but the quantity which can be measured is called physical quantity. ये खुशी, ये गम, ये हम नहीं मेजर कर सकते, ये फिजिकल क्वांटिटी नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ऑल द इमोशंस जिसको हम फिजिकल क्वांटिटी नहीं कहते. अब ये जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है ना, उसको हमने भी दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. फर्स्ट इज नोन एज फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज, अनदर इज नोन एज डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटीज. अब फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज क्या है? जस्ट लाइक द अल्फ़ाबेट्स in English, see there are 26 alphabets, and these are the like that there are 7 fundamental quantities plus 2. Okay, and words are like a derived quantity. Using that alphabet we can make so many words. Using these fundamental quantities we can make so many derived quantities. Okay, so actually by the definition of fundamental quantities, these fundamental quantities are independent of everything, and it is independent. And derived quantities are those which are dependent on the fundamental quantity. So there are 7 fundamental quantities. Okay, first is mass, length, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, quantity of matter, and 2 more in geometry, that is plane angle and solid angle. So what is the mass? See, mass is independent of, you can measure directly mass, you can measure directly length. Okay, but you can't measure directly velocity. You have to find out, it depends on two things. Velocity depends on distance also and time also. But mass you can directly measure in the उसको क्या बोलते हैं, तराजू में आप कोई भी चीज़ का मास ले सकते हैं, है ना. दैट इज़ बैलेंस, फिजिकल बैलेंस, केमिकल बैलेंस, किसी में भी. लेंथ कैसे नाप सकते हो? कैसे भी नाप सकते हो. एक स्केल लेके आप लेंथ नाप सकते हो, टेप लेके नाप सकते हैं, एंड सो मैनी प्रोसेस आर देयर टू मेजर द लेंथ. सो these are independent quantity, that's why it is called fundamental quantity. जैसे 0 से 9 तक कितने नंबर्स हैं? 10 नंबर्स है ना. वो भी किसी पे डिपेंड करते हैं क्या? इंडिविजुअल है, 1 अपना स्ट्रेंथ रखता है, 2 अपना स्ट्रेंथ रखता है, वैसे ये भी रखते हैं. सो मास जो है उसको दिखाते m से. एंड यूनिट is, I am talking about SI unit, which I will explain you in the later. I will explain you in next video. The unit is kg, which is SI unit. I am talking about SI, that is standard international unit. Okay, unit is just like a surname for the physical quantity. Okay, so we can't take any physical quantity without its surname, that is its unit. Okay, length, the unit of length is meter. Again it is again we are talking about SI unit. वैसे तो बहुत सारी लेंथ की यूनिट होती है, किलोमीटर भी होती है, लाइट ईयर भी होती है, स्मॉल नैनोमीटर भी होती है, पिकोमीटर भी होती है, ऐसे अलग अलग यूनिट बहुत होती है, बट हम अभी एसआई यूनिट की बात कर रहे हैं। टाइम की यूनिट है सेकेंड। सेकेंड जो होती है वो टाइम की यूनिट, वो लगभग सभी जगह यही यूनिट यूज़ होती है, पर वैसे तो बहुत सारी टाइम की यूनिट है, मिनट है, आवर है, देन डे, week, year, and all that are time unit. Okay, so temperature also having so many unit, but the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, temperature is again independent of anything. It is fundamental again. Then luminous intensity. What is the meaning of luminous intensity? The intensity of light which is coming from sun, intensity of light which is coming from tube light, and all the sources of light. The intensity at a point is called luminous intensity. The unit of this is candela, and electric current, flow of charge is known as electric current, and the unit of flow this current is ampere. So these are, and sorry, quantity of matter. A smallest the matter quantity of matter, the unit is mole. Okay, so these are seven quantities, seven fundamental quantities. If in the uh, these these are physical quantities, and these two are in uh, geometry, that is angle. Radian is also angle. To measure the angle, this is called radian, and this is called steradian. This is solid angle. Solid angle is just like a angle of ice cream cone. Okay, so we just learn about the 7 and plus 2 9 fundamental quantities. Now we will talk about the derived quantity. First, derived quantity. Suppose I will talk about velocity. Velocity means distance upon time. So distance upon time, distance is measured in what? Length. Length, and time is measured in second. So length is meter and time is second. So this unit of velocity is, here we can write meter per second. Okay, so it depends on what? Meter also, that is length also, and time also. That's why it is called derived unit. Okay, another thing I am going to explain you, acceleration. Acceleration is again what? Acceleration is again, it is derived unit. It depends on what? Velocity. Velocity upon time. Velocity, the unit length, meter per second upon second, that is meter per second square. So the acceleration depends on what? Length and time. That's why it is called derived unit. Now again we are going to talk about force. Force, mass into acceleration. Okay, here mass into acceleration. So mass is what? Kg. You are taking mass in kg, SI unit. And acceleration means meter per second. So the force depends on what? Mass, length, and time. Mass, length, and time. So all these are derived quantities, and there are so many derived quantities. You can make so many derived quantities using this fundamental, basic fundamental quantities. You can make more quantities if you want to find out area. Area is equals to length into breadth. So length is measured in meter, breadth also measure in meter. So meter square is the unit of what? Area. Again, area depends on what? Meter and meter. So it is also derived quantity. So we can, there are so lots of derived quantities are there, and only 7 plus 2 fundamental quantities are there. I hope आपको ये अच्छे से दिमाग में घुस गई होंगी और फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ भी तुमको समझ में आ गई होंगी. नेक्स्ट हम इसका सरनेम की बात करेंगे, दैट इज़ यूनिट. मैं उसको सरनेम बोलती हूँ, दैट इज़ यूनिट, इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक पढ़ते रहो लॉकडाउन में. बाय बाय.